Hello friends, I am Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, today we are going to explore some important multiple choice questions based on the ballad, which is also called as a narrative folk song. But friends, before we proceed as usual, I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, we know very well that ballad is a poem, or it is one of the most popular forms of poetry. Friends, it is a kind of poem which tells a story, usually in 4-line stanzas called quatrains. It is mostly composed in couplets with reference in alternate lines. These ballads usually come in simple and varying insights. Friends, it means there is no any fixed parameter as far as its size and all the things are concerned. Friends, here this form of poetry called ballad is truly very much diverse, and it may have different rhyme schemes and meter as far as its structure is concerned. Friends, it is one of the oldest form of poetry used in dance song. Actually friends, it deals with variety of themes like supernaturalism, then personal stories. It covers up archetypal stories as well. It talks about appreciation or admiration for warriors or soldiers. It also talks about historical events, religion, life and death, and many more such threads. But friends, usually it deals with the patriotic and romantic themes, and we need to keep it in our mind. Friends, we can mention the names like William Wordsworth, then S.T. Coleridge, John Keats, Robert Burns, Kipling, Oscar Wilde, Thomas Hardy. Then we have Ezra Pound, Tennyson, Stevenson, and many more such figures are there who contributed the beautiful ballads to the stream of literature. So friends, I'm sure these are the multiple choice questions that we are going to explore in our today's video. We'll talk about the ballad from all the requisite perspectives and give you a comprehensive presentation on the same. So friends, without delay, let us move and see around 30 important multiple choice questions and their answers based on the oldest poetic form, that is ballad. So let us move towards the first question we have. A ballad is a kind of dash. Options are A, story, B, song, C, poem, and D, all of the above. The correct answer is D, and it is all of the above. Question number 2 we have, what is the major defining characteristic of ballad? Options are ballads are written in quatrains, ballads have quite simple rhyme scheme, ballads share or tell a story, and D, none of these. The correct answer is C, and it is ballads share or tell a story. Question number 3 we have, dash was the earliest known form of poetry. Options are A, romantic ballad, B, philosophy, C, drama, and D, epic poetry. The correct answer is D, and it is epic poetry. Question number 4 we have, dash is considered as the time span of medieval poetry. Options are A, that is the Elizabethan age to 20th century, 5th to 15th century, 1st to 5th century, and D, none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is 5th to 15th century. Question number 5 we have, we find most of the medieval poems are anonymous because dash. Options are A, the authors' names were written in a different language, B, historians don't care about finding authors, C, most poems were passed down orally, and D, it was a tradition. Correct answer is C, and it is most poems were passed down orally. Question number 6 we have, the characters presented in the ballads are mostly dash. Options are A, round, B, flat, C, complex, and D, social. Correct answer is B, and it is flat. Question number 7 we have, mostly the ballads have dash. Options are A, political, B, religious, C, patriotic or romantic themes, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is patriotic or romantic themes, and we have seen the details of this question while introducing this today's video or today's presentation. Question number 8 we have, the ballads are originally written to be dash. Options are A, performed by the popular poets, B, sung by the renowned singers, C, sung for the bards or wandering singers, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is sung for the bards or wandering singers. We have next question, question number 9. There are dash kinds of ballads. Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. The correct answer is B, and it is 3. There are 3 kinds of ballads. Question number 10, we have dash are the 3 types of ballads. Options are A, traditional ballad, historical ballad and modern ballad. B, folk or traditional ballad, broadside ballad and lyrical ballad. C, historical ballads, social ballad and political ballads. And D, traditional ballads, old and new ballads. Correct answer is B, and it is folk or traditional ballads, broadside ballad and lyrical ballads. Question number 11, we have traditional ballads are also called as dash. Options are A, social, B, historical, C, folk and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is folk ballads. Question number 12, we have the traditional ballads mostly tell the stories of dash. Options are A, religion and state, B, love, patriotism and adventure, C, social development and D, political development. Correct answer is B, and it is love, patriotism and adventure. Question number 13, we have traditional ballads were popular in England and Scotland in dash. Options are A, 12th century, B, 13th century, C, 14th century and D, 15th century. Correct answer is D, and it is 15th century. Question number 14, we have lyrical ballads began to appear in late dash. Options are A, 13th century, B, 14th century, C, 16th century and D, 18th century. Correct answer is D, and it is 18th century. And the credit of this goes to William Wordsworth and S.T. Coleridge. Question number 15, we have who pioneered the form of lyrical ballads. Options are A, modern poets, B, romantic poets, C, Elizabethan poets and D, Victorian poets. Correct answer is B, and it is romantic poets. Question number 16, we have the word ballad came from dash. Options are A, medieval Scottish dance song or ballads, B, medieval French dance song, C, old German dance song and D, medieval Latin dance song or ballads. Correct answer is A, and it is medieval Scottish dance songs or ballads. Question number 17, we have relics of ancient English poetry is the collection of dash. Options are A, sonnets, B, odes, C, ballads and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is ballads. Question number 18, we have who wrote Lady of Shalott. Options are A, Wordsworth, B, Coleridge, C, Keats and D, Tennyson. Correct answer is D, and it is Tennyson. Question number 19, we have Oscar Wilde's The Ballad of Reading Gaol published in dash. Options are A, 1897, B, 1898, C, 1899 and D, 1900. Correct answer is A, and it was published in 1897. Question number 20, we have the Ballad of the Dark Lady was written by dash. Options are A, Coleridge, B, Shelley, C, Hardy and D, Keats. Correct answer is A, and it is S.T. Coleridge. Question number 21, we have the lyrical ballads by S.T. Coleridge and William Wordsworth published in dash. Options are A, 1797, B, 1798, C, 1799 and D, 1800. Correct answer is B, and it is 1798. Question number 22, we have the Ballad of Moll Maggie was written by dash. Options are A, Edgar Allan Poe, B, Allen Ginsberg, C, Robert Burns and D, W.B. Yeats. Correct answer is D, and it is W.B. Yeats. Question number 23, we have which of the following ballad was written by A.C. Swinburne. Options are A, an Eastern ballad, B, a ballad of burdens, C, a ballad of boding and D, ballad of long-legged bet. Correct answer is B, and it is a ballad of burdens. Question number 24, we have Bob Dylan is the author of dash. Options are A, Knocking on Heaven's Door, B, Annabel Lee, C, La Belle Dame Sans Mercy and D, During Wind and Rain. Correct answer is A, and it is Knocking on Heaven's Door. Question number 25, we have the ballad is a or an dash word which means dash. Options are A, French, it means to speak, B, Italian, it means to dance, C, German, it means to sing and D, none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is Italian word which means to dance. Question number 26, we have the Ballad of East and West was written by dash. Options are A, Hardy, B, Coleridge, C, Wordsworth and D, Kipling. Correct answer is D, and it was written by Rudyard Kipling. Question number 27, we have Thomas Hardy's popular ballad Her Immortality published in dash. Options are A, 1798, B, 1898, C, 1899 and D, 1901. Correct answer is B, and it was published in 1898. Question number 28 we have, Rime of the Ancient Mariner by S.T. Coleridge or Samuel Taylor Coleridge appears in the first edition of dash. Options are A. Lyrical Ballads, B. The Prelude, C. Robin Hood and the Monk, and D. Green Slaves. Correct answer is A, and it was came at first in the first edition of Lyrical Ballads. The next question, question number 29. The English and Scottish Popular Ballads is the collection of ballads by dash. Options are A. Thomas Campion, B. William Wordsworth, C. Francis James Child, and D. Thomas Nash. Correct answer is C, and it is Francis James Child. Question number 30 we have, Ballad of the Goodly Fair was composed by dash. Options are A. Eliot, B. Ezra Pound, C. John Keats, and D. S.T. Coleridge. Correct answer is B, and it is Ezra Pound. So friends, all these are the multiple choice questions and the answers based on the oldest form of poetry, that is ballad. I hope friends you have understood and liked all the multiple choice questions and the answers discussed in this today's video. Friends, if you have really liked it, I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this channel in coming days. So friends, we'll meet soon again with a different video on different piece of literature. Till then friends, just take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you very much.